Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making chicken soup with dumplings. You're going to need 2 pounds of chicken breast, 8 tablespoons butter, 1 onion, 6 cups chicken broth, half a cup heavy cream, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 cup sliced carrots, 6 tablespoons flour, 1 teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon pepper, 1.5 cups frozen peas, 5 to 6 sticks celery, half a teaspoon thyme, 2 bay leaves, 1.5 tablespoon parsley. We're going to start by slicing chicken into small pieces. If you have a full carrots, make sure you peel them before you slice them. I use baby carrots so I can just wash them and cut them into small pieces. Same thing, cut all the celery into small pieces. Dice the onion. Now we're going to start cooking the soup. Add 3 tablespoons butter and let it melt. Add a little bit of olive oil and that will prevent butter from burning. Add sliced chicken and cook it until it's fully cooked and brown on all sides. After the chicken is done, just take the chicken out. You want to keep oils and juices in the pot. Then add celery and carrots. Add diced onion. And mix it for about 5 minutes. Add garlic. Add 5 tablespoons butter and let it melt. Add 6 tablespoons of flour and cook the flour for a couple of minutes. Add the chicken. Now we're going to add 6 cups of chicken broth. Make sure you keep stirring the pot as you're adding the rest of the ingredients. Add heavy cream. Add salt and pepper. Add thyme. Add frozen peas. Add parsley. On the end, add bay leaves. Put the lid on it and cook it for 15 minutes. While the soup is cooking, we're going to be making dumplings. You're going to need 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon pepper, 1 1/3 cups heavy cream, we're going to start by sifting flour and baking powder. If you have rocks left over, throw them away. Add salt and pepper and mix it in before we put heavy cream. Now add heavy cream. And keep mixing it and kneading the dough until it becomes like Play-Doh. It might take you a little bit of time. This is what it needs to look like. Smooth, and it feels like Play-Doh. I use very small ice cream scoop to make my dumplings, but you can use a spoon. Your dumpling needs to be about 1/2 inch round. Don't make them any bigger because it's going to overwhelm your soup. Once you have all your dumplings in, lower your temperature and simmer it for 15 minutes. It's ready to be served. It came out so nice and smells incredible. It reminds me of my childhood. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.